Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is part 7 of my 10-part series on artificial intelligence. Today we are focusing on a topic that is becoming increasingly important in AI, the ethical aspects. Sit back and join me on this exciting journey into the world of AI and ethics. If this topic captivates you and you don't want to miss any episode, it's best to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. That way you won't miss anything. Let's get started. Ethics in artificial intelligence deals with how we can use this powerful technology in a way that serves the common good and does not disadvantage anyone. It's about fundamental values like fairness, transparency, accountability, and the protection of privacy. I explain what is meant by ethical guidelines in AI, and why these principles are indispensable in the practical use of AI, not just theoretical. I also look at historical examples of how technological advancements in the past have sparked ethical debates and draw parallels to today's challenges. Why is ethics in AI so important? Responsibility. The integration of AI into nearly all areas of life brings enormous advantages, from optimized processes to groundbreaking innovations. At the same time, all of this also entails dangers. Only if we can understand how AI systems work and make decisions can we truly trust them. It must be clear who is liable when AI makes wrong decisions, whether in healthcare, in the justice system, or in the financial sector. Data protection. AI systems also often process very sensitive data, so protecting privacy and personal information must be a top priority. Ethical considerations significantly influence the success and societal acceptance of artificial intelligence, which is important as a foundation for sustainable technological development. When developing and applying AI, we face some key challenges: bias and discrimination. If training data contains biases, AI models can unintentionally amplify them and cause systematic discrimination. Examples from areas such as application processes or credit decisions show how important careful data preparation is. Opacity. Many AI systems operate as a black box, making it extremely difficult to understand the reasons behind certain decisions. Responsibility. It often remains unclear who is liable for wrong decisions: the developer, the company, or the system itself. Potential for misuse. Technologies like deepfakes can be used manipulatively and lead to widespread disinformation. To make the ethical issues tangible, let's take a look at some real case examples. Bias of algorithms. In various countries, AI-powered systems have been used to predict recidivism probabilities in criminal justice. Unfortunately, biased training data led to systematic disadvantages for certain populations. Manipulated videos that appear deceptively real have already caused significant confusion in political campaigns and social media. Surveillance systems. In some states, artificial intelligence is used for surveillance, which questions fundamental freedoms and has sparked intense discussions about data protection and civil rights. Such examples have not only technical but also profound societal consequences, from which lessons can be learned to avoid future mistakes. Approaches for responsible AI development. To address the challenges of AI ethics, there are various solutions that are already being discussed and implemented in practice, such as ethical guidelines and frameworks. Organizations such as the IEE and the European Union have developed guidelines that promote the ethically responsible use of AI. For example, the IEEE's ethically aligned design plays an important role. It forms a framework of guidelines for the design of AI systems. Explainable AI. By developing methods that make the decision-making of AI systems more transparent, we can better understand how certain outcomes occur. Diversity in training data. Careful selection and preparation of the data can help minimize biases and develop fairer models. Regulation and legislation. Government measures and international agreements can create a legal framework that ensures the ethical use of AI. Social and legal perspectives. The ethical debate on AI affects not only developers and companies but also has far-reaching social and legal implications such as changes in the job market. Automation through artificial intelligence can lead to job losses, but it also creates new fields of work that require special skills in handling digital technologies. Fundamental rights and data protection. With the increasing data collection by AI, laws must constantly be adapted to new technologies to protect citizens' rights. International collaboration. Ethics in artificial intelligence requires cross-border exchanges. Global standards and cooperation are necessary to prevent misuse and to create fair competition conditions. Future prospects. Ethics as a driver of innovations. The future of AI will be heavily shaped by ethical considerations. Upcoming developments will make AI systems even more transparent, so that their decision-making processes are open and understandable. Global standards. International cooperation could lead to uniform ethical guidelines that govern the use of AI worldwide and thus build trust in these technologies. Strengthen. Technological innovations, new approaches in data processing and handling bias can contribute to making AI systems even fairer and more reliable. Ethical principles do not serve as a limitation, but as a catalyst for innovations and are meant to show how responsible AI can positively shape the future. Furthermore, ethical guidelines can drive innovations by creating clear frameworks where creativity and technological progress go hand in hand. Interactive discussion and participation. I invite you to actively participate in this discussion. What ethical challenges do you see in the use of AI in your daily life? How do you think companies and governments can take responsibility? What measures should be taken to ensure that AI systems act transparently and fairly? Feel free to write your opinion in the comments. Summary and outlook. The ethical aspects of AI are complex and multifaceted. They involve technological, societal, and legal dimensions. From avoiding bias to creating transparency and protecting privacy, responsible AI development is a joint task of developers, companies, politics, and society. It is up to all of us to ensure that technology serves humanity and contributes to a better, fairer world. In the next episode, we will focus on how you can use AI for yourself. If you like this video and want to learn more about artificial intelligence, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any episode of the series. I really look forward to your comments. Let me know which aspects of AI fascinate you the most or what questions you have. This way, I can tailor the content even better to your interests. Thank you for being here today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video when we delve deeper into the topic of using AI yourself. Stay curious.